Hello everyone, welcome to the 100 Day Spanish Challenge by Touri. I'm Mark, and welcome to Day 15 of the challenge. If you haven't subscribed yet, you can find the link down below to join the challenge and follow along. Now I'm going to start by saying the word in Spanish at a normal pace, the masculine and feminine form, and then I'll break it down into syllables, followed by the English translation and a couple of example sentences. Let's get started. Number 141. Número 141. Ficha. 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 Index or record card. The patient record cards are kept under lock and key. Las fichas de los pacientes se guardan bajo llave. Number 142. Número 142. Filete. Fee-leh-tay. Filete. Steak or fillet. How would you like your steak? ¿Cómo quieres tu filete? Number 143. Número 143. Filosofía. Fee-loh-soh-FEE-ah. Filosofía. Philosophy. My mom has a very positive philosophy on life. Mi mamá tiene una filosofía de vida muy positiva. Number 144. Número 144. Final. Fee-nahl. Final. End or final. The construction of the building is in its final phase. La construcción del edificio está en su fase final. Number 145. Número 145. Física. Fee-see-kah. Física. Physics. My cousin is studying physics at college. Mi primo está estudiando física en la universidad. Number 146. Número 146. Físico. Fee-see-kah. Físico. Appearance. His appearance changed after he did military training. Su físico cambió cuando hizo el entrenamiento militar. Number 147. 147. Granja. 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 Farm. My grandfather grew up on a farm outside of town. Mi abuelo se crió en una granja fuera del pueblo. Number 148. Número 148. Grupo. 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 Group. I've been attending a reading group for the last month. Llevo un mes asistiendo a un grupo de lectura. Number 149. Número 149. Guapo. Guapa. Guapo. Guapo. Attractive or beautiful. Even in her old age, that actress is very beautiful. Aún en su vejez, esa actriz es muy guapa. Number 150. Número 150. Gustar. 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 To like. I like Mexican food. Me gusta la comida mexicana. The best way to learn this material is through repetition, memorization, and conversation. If you'd like to practice your newly learned vocabulary, Touri offers live, fun, and immersive one-on-one online language lessons with native instructors at nearly any time of the day. Check out Touri.co, or you can follow the link down below. Until next time, adios.